Cooperation between the central banks will start with research into the best practices in bank stress testing, as well as how to cooperate more closely on G20 issues. They say investors should focus on South Africa's long-term prospects rather than the short-term difficulties. Mminele says, from a policy perspective, the Reserve Bank will not focus on the short-term volatility of the rand caused by reports of possible charges against the finance minister.
We would not be focusing on sort of short-run market movements. We will have to see whether any of the market developments that we've seen in reaction to news that were not expected, what was a surprise. That's not entirely unusual that you would have some knee-jerk response to that. We'll have to see how sustained that is, but there can be no question that from a point of view of shoring up investor confidence, people have to have comfort around the policy frameworks, around how they're being implemented, with some element of consistency, some transparency, and predictability as they go forward. Those are the kind of things that underpin investor confidence.
South Africa is Germany's largest trading partner in sub-Saharan Africa, with over 600 German companies with presence here. Germany is South Africa's second largest trading partner after China. Dr Andreas Dombret says German investors are still interested in South Africa.
For many German companies, South Africa continues to be the springboard into all of Africa. And many German companies believe if they understand South Africa, they have a better chance of then, from South Africa, evolving into other countries, especially in the south of Africa. And that's why there is a twofold interest. 90,000 jobs in your country is not a small number. I can tell you 600 corporations in South Africa with a German background is a more than decent number.
The two central banks say cooperation will strengthen capacity individually and jointly to participate in international organizations and forums with the intention of securing outcomes that are beneficial to the two countries. Gloria Sefako Mosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.
Passenger